Hi everyone, as usual, it's another weekend again, so it's another craft show. Every weekend, I feel excited and happy whenever I have a craft show to join. Sometimes, when there's a weekend without a craft show, I feel a little sad because I already missed it. Craft shows have become a big part of my life. They keep me motivated, inspired, and looking forward to each new day. I already miss the atmosphere, the people, and the experience. This weekend, I am joining Art in the Barn. This is an hour and a half drive from my place, which is not bad compared to other shows that I drive 2.5 hours or more. I decided to set up the day before the show. Now that I'm retired, I really prefer setting up the day before because it's much less stressful. Before, when I was still working full time, I usually had to set up on the actual day of the show, and it was always stressful. Even though I've been doing summer craft shows for many years, I still find it hard to open and set up my tent. Setting up the tent is still one of the hardest parts for me. I honestly cannot do all of this alone. Without my daughter Eliza's help, I wouldn't be able to continue doing these shows the way I do now. I'm very thankful for her love, support, and willingness to help me every weekend. We weren't able to completely finish the setup because there were so many tiny flying bugs in the afternoon. But at least we were able to do the hard part. This is a big venue, and one thing I really like about this show is that during setup, you can park your car right in front of your booth. That makes a huge difference when unloading all the products and displays. I did the show once a long time ago, but I stopped doing summer shows before the pandemic. I only started doing summer shows last year. I had a good show last year, so I decided to come back this year. The weather was really nice the whole weekend. There were around 200 plus vendors, but there were also lots of people coming to shop. This show has an entrance fee, but they charge per car. But some shows, they charge by person. I really also appreciated the organizers because they went around offering ice water during the show and even while everyone was packing up. For outdoor shows, I always secure my display with tape just in case it becomes windy. I also noticed that most vendors in all the shows that I've done, vendors pack up very quickly, and I wish I can do that too. But as usual, always the last one who finish because I take time because I don't want to repeat the bad experience I had many years ago, and I was still in my 50s at that time. I want everything to be organized for the next craft show, and I also have a specific way of arranging my products and displays in the car so that everything fits properly. Being organized is very important. It may take me longer to pack, but it saves me time and stress at the next craft show. Thank you so much for spending the weekend with me here at Art in the Barn. I'm grateful to everyone who visited my booth, supported my handmade business, and purchased my products. For me, every craft show is a learning experience, and I'm always trying to improve and bring more beautiful designs for the next show. Retirement is not the end of the journey, it's the beginning of doing more of what I love. I'm always excited to create more designs and share more adventures with all of you. If this vlog inspired or helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate all of you for being part of my handmade business journey and my retirement life adventures here in Canada. Thanks and maraming salamat for spending time with me today. So I'll see you again in my next vlog. Another weekend, another craft show. Take care and God bless us all. Bye for now.